I'm gonna be showing with you guys my daily makeup tutorial. I'm very excited to share with you guys what I usually do whenever I wear makeup. But a quick disclaimer, I do not wear makeup every day, but whenever I do, this is the look that I would usually go for. So with all that said, let's just get started. Starting off, I'm just gonna be applying this moisturizer. I usually apply this moisturizer every single morning. I love to use this moisturizer sebab I punya kulit very dry. Sometimes dia dry sampai nampak dry patches. So I just add a little bit on my skin and dekat my dry area. Gonna rub it. Kalau korang tengok my first video makeup tutorial pun, I guna this moisturizer because it really helps me with that problem. So this really helps my skin to hydrate even more. I macam tak selesa lah nak cakap banyak, but I will try. So after moisturizing my face, I'm just gonna go straight into the concealer. I do not wear foundation if I rasa macam I nak cepat, but when I do, I would always go with this Fit Me foundation, or sometimes I akan pakai this one. This is Drum Kit foundation from Nita Cosmetics. Both of it medium to high coverage, which is very good. So I don't have to wear like banyak gila foundation kat muka ke apa. So macam bila I pakai sikit je, it can cover all my pimple, dark circle, all my scars. So yeah. But for today's video, I akan go straight into the concealer je. I malas nak pakai foundation. Just gonna go with this Fit Me concealer, the shade Light. I really love this concealer. I'm just gonna add a little concealer over here. And untuk macam nak dapatkan a leaf effect, you buat macam ni. I will always do macam ni. Conceal all my dark circle. Okay, before I forgot, I would usually applying this setting spray. Dia akan bagi effect natural finish. Okay, next I akan buat I punya brow. Dulu I always akan sikat-sikat je pakai I punya eyebrow soap, but I nak buang dah, and I bought the new one. Kalau you guys tengok my previous video, and this is somehow the products that I recommend you guys to get. Untuk eyebrow, I prefer to go very natural eyebrow. So macam I suka sikat-sikat dia je. This shade bahagian yang sepatutnya. On to the eye, I akan ambil this shade, very natural one. Okay, usually I akan tarik dia ke atas sikit tau. So macam I akan blend dia uplift supaya nampak macam mata kita tu nampak macam tu. Kita nak bagi Gigi Hadid punya effect. Using the same brush, same color, I akan letak dekat bawah mata. Okay, untuk eyeliner, I will use this. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. Actually, I tak pakai sangat pun eyeliner, but after I beli this one, I rasa macam everyday I nak pakai. This is very useful. It really helps me to buat eyeliner within few seconds. So you just tampal je. The other end, you fill in sampai ke tengah. Okay, next baru kita curl my lashes. I'm gonna be taking my favorite mascara from Maybelline, Hyper Curl Waterproof. So usually I akan ambil this shade from Mita Cosmetic. This is R&B. Sikit je. Okay, untuk hidung pula, I always akan ambil this 2 finger and then blend it out, and I just akan tarik je kat hidung. So nose job in 2 minutes. Okay, so I akan blend. Next is blusher, the hip hop blush from Mita Cosmetics, and the shades is look like this. So dia macam very peachy orange. This is in the shade coral. Sikit je apple on my cheek. I suka sangat warna peach ni sebab dia nampak macam very natural, nampak manis je kat muka. Okay, so I akan letak kat sini sikit. I akan tambah this shade, dia macam a darker shade, burgundy shade, cuma sikit je tambah nak nampakkan ya, sikit. We are almost done. Okay, next is I'm gonna use lip tint, and this is from Silky Girl in the shade nude 04. So you guys can see it, but okay, so this is it. It's very nude. So another trick, kalau you nak makan kan, kalau masa you nak make sure you punya bibir tak pucat after you eat, so first you kena apply lip tint dulu. Baru you apply lipstick. Okay, rasa untuk lipstick I'm gonna go with this Sobila in the shade Nude Chatty. I just love this. I tak tahu lah why I suka gila this lip colour. I think I'm done. So before that, before I macam finish my makeup, I will always spray. Spray my face using this setting spray. And if I rasa macam I nak look extra, like some highlighter from this shade. Usually I akan mix both of this shade pakai the same brush. So sikit je, macam dab macam tu je. And then sapu kat sini. Sikit je, dab-dab macam tu je. Dab tahu jangan tarik sebab kita tak nak kita tarik dengan kita punya produk tadi yang dekat muka. So aku nampak very glow. Hidung sikit. Okay. And just look at my skin. So usually if I want to look extra, yes, of course, I love to look extra. Why you want to look basic if you can look extra? So I would usually ambil the same highlighter tadi, I akan letak dekat my inner corner. So kita kena nampak lah extra. And one thing I suka bila kita bersiap is that we never know dengan siapa kita akan berjumpa kalau dekat luar. Probably our ex. So nak ke you guys nampak biasa-biasa depan ex korang? Tak nak kan? Kita nak nampak natural, dalam masa yang sama kita nak nampak wow. So I think we're done. Sekejap, lagi sikit. Untuk highlight dekat hidung tu macam tak payah over sangat tau, sebab tak nampak pun kita pakai mask kan. But it's okay. I think we're done. Okay, I want to add some more sebab I nak nampak macam kita mestilah kena nampak extra. Like what we said, why you wanna look basic if you can look extra? I'm gonna take my lip gloss. FYI, I don't usually, no, I'm not wearing lip gloss at all. Sebab rasa macam bila I pakai lip gloss, I punya bibir nampak macam pelik. So macam I prefer untuk pakai lip gloss dekat I punya eyelid. Okay, this one just untuk dapatkan macam efek basah-basah, efek very glow. This is what I like. So macam malas nak tukar tudung. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Should I change my tudung? Okay lah, I change for you guys. Give me a few minutes. Okay guys, so I dah bersiap. I siap tukar tudung lagi untuk korang. So appreciate my effort. So guys, so this is the final look. I think I'm done. Very simple makeup tutorial from me that helps you to look even more presentable, look cute, more put together. So this is the, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.